Hello Corkies, today we are making a refreshing wine seltzer and we're using the SodaStream to do it, but you don't really need it, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com. We all know you're supposed to get joy and fascination from even the little things in life that most people take for granted. So here at Cork and Java, we're here to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages through wine and coffee, reviews, and how-tos. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that little bell so you never miss a video. All right, guys, it is hot outside where I live. I don't know about where you guys live, but one of the most trendy, popular things right now for summer sipping that's super refreshing is those like White Claws, those Trulies, those hard seltzers. Now, most of those are not wine-based hard seltzers, although some companies like Barefoot have come out with that. But that's what we're going for today. And it's not a wine spritzer like you've probably seen, which is really mostly a wine base with just a little bit of club soda on top, make it fizzy, maybe put some fruit in there. No. We're going for something much lighter, much less calories, much less alcohol content, although I'm keeping it about 5 to 7% here because, you know, I like a little bit of alcohol content. But really the name of the game for a seltzer is to have it really light. You know, like, I don't know, if you've had White Claw or Truly, you know, it's very light. The flavor isn't too impactful. So that's kind of what we're going for today. So I'm using my SodaStream to carbonate water. And that's what I'm going to do here. Of course, you can buy your own club soda or seltzer water that's pre-made, pre-carbonated if you don't have a SodaStream. But I like using my SodaStream because I have really delicious reverse osmosis water at home. And it makes the best carbonated water in my opinion. So, yep, I'm just gonna carbonate some water up real quick with my SodaStream. And then we'll be good to go with the rest of the ingredients. This is a super easy recipe that you can do at home. It barely takes any memorization, so. All right, we got our fizz water here. Make sure it's good. Super duper fizzy, perfect. So for the wine that I'm using some Pinot Grigio. It's dry, and both the Pinot Grigio and the water, I put it in the freezer for just amount of time, not to freeze it, but to get it super, almost ice cold. So you want, the name of the game for hard seltzer is definitely as cold as you can get it, because this is supposed to be a super refreshing drink. Oh, there's a little tap there. I did not see that. That would have been helpful. So yeah, refreshing is what we're going for with this summer drink here. And let me know down in the comments what additional flavors, because this one's going to be a pretty basic, pretty much 50% Pinot Grigio, 50% of the club soda, of the seltzer there. Maybe a little bit less than 50%, maybe a 40-50 split, 40% Pinot Grigio. Whereas, you know, a wine spritzer would be like at least 80-20, maybe even 90-10. But here we go, and since this is dry, I want to add a little bit of sweetness to it, because once you dilute it and you're getting a little bit less of the wine flavor, or a whole lot less of the wine flavor, I like to have a little bit of sweetness. So I'm putting about an ounce of simple syrup in there, and we make that at home as well. It is super easy. All you do is boil water and then put 1 part water to 1 part sugar. And as soon as the water is boiled, you take it off the heat, dissolve the sugar, put it in a bottle, put it in your fridge, and you are good to go. So we got about an ounce there of the simple syrup. And then I'm gonna go about a 40-60 split. You can just eyeball it, and if you have other things that you want to put in there, you can put cucumber, mint, different fruits, anything that you want to add is up to you. But this is just the standard, let's see, Pinot Grigio. Super light and refreshing. That little kick of sweetness is perfect in there. But yeah, it's not too strong like a wine spritzer would be. This is more, you can lounge by the pool and drink these for a while and not really get buzzed, which is not usually something that I want to do when I'm out in hot weather. So yeah, check that out. Let me know down in the comments what other type of wines you think would be good for this type of wine-based seltzer. Another type of ingredients that you think would be good in here, I think a mint, just storing it in the water. Maybe some cucumber too would add a little bit even more freshness to this, but this is a super fresh, super refreshing, I guess that's the same thing as fresh, drink right here. And it's yeah, perfect summer drink. Make sure you guys are finding us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And also, if you're looking to kickstart your wine experience, make sure to check out the California Wine Club, because they send you wine to your door every month in your subscription. And they send you a whole pamphlet of information about the wine and the vineyard and the winery that it comes from, giving you awesome information about what you're drinking. And that's really what makes drinking wine fun, is learning about the wine and the story behind that wine and what makes it the way it is. So if you're looking to kickstart your wine experience, definitely check out the links down in the description for the California Wine Club. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.